Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 14th, 2022. We're going to talk about crypto.com today. Get out the market for CRO because the market has completely fell off a cliff since I did my last video, which was on September the 14th, and I didn't do a price prediction. We wanted to see the market in CRO trend back up above this ascending line, but it did not do it. Price instead consolidated for a couple of weeks right here, and then price completely fell down. Now what? Is crypto.com going to be in the same boat as FTX, as BlockFi? Because the market action pretty much gives us the same depiction as to what the FTT token looks like. So let me show you all this chart. This is crypto.com price chart right here. Let me show you all FTT. Look at that. Pretty similar, would you agree? So maybe crypto.com has something in connection with FTX. What do you all think? Now you guys can see that we're having a pretty good day today into the market in crypto.com, but we're up right now, what, 7%? But of course, I mean, we've seen the price fell, or we've seen the price fall, what, November the 8th to today, 56, 57% in CRO. So for us to be up almost 7%, I'm not surprised to see that. I mean, we can only go so low, which is to zero, to where the crypto will be worthless. The market today came all the way down to 5.5 cents. 5 cents. It's where the market low came in. So did we hit bottom in CRO? Let's see. So I'm going to extend this all the way over, and I want you all to see what I just did. Okay, take a look right here on December the 29th, 2020. The low came in at almost 5 cents. So yeah, we pretty much came to a point of all-time lows today in the market in CRO. This has been the bottom. So now it's going to be incumbent on the buyers in the market in CRO to continue to keep the price above this level. So that is our first basis that we're going to create. Did you buy this currency on the low? Because if so, you will already be in profit right now. At least 7%. Right? Let me see. No, you're being profit 29.5% right now. If you bought it down here around 5.5 cents. So now, take a look at the market in CRO on the wiki chart. Look at that volume bar. Take a look. Something occurred into the market in CRO. Someone was trying to get about their position in CRO when you see that much volume come into this currency. Somebody tried to offload their position. Who was it? Was it FTX? Was it Sam Bankman? Is he trying to get about his investments that he's created? Because I think that CRO is a part of one of his investments that he did while he was the CEO of FTX. It's a whole lot of volume. This is about the same amount of volume that we've seen back in 2021 when we saw that massive run up. What is going on into the market now in CRO? Is this cryptocurrency about to hit zero? Because this could be a dead giveaway that somebody could think so. That CRO could actually be insolvent. So the thing that we need to be focusing on, right, is the idea that we might need to stand by, or we can deploy a small amount of resources to this play and let the market ride higher. Because when I look at this on the 3-hour chart, it looks a little bit bullish. It looks like the buyers are trying to lift this market higher. But guess what? We're not going to be fooled though, are we? No. Maybe a little bit higher. I mean, we could see the market in CRO run up to here. Another 9%, almost 10%, right? I can see that happen. The 5-hour chart, I like it. I do see some strength trying to come into the market in CRO, but let me show you something. I'm going to show you where the resistance is coming in at. That's one area here. And then that second area will be here. These are the areas that I would expect sellers to come into the market in CRO. So obviously, if we're going to play the market move higher, we need to expect, or at least know when we need to be jumping ship before this ship sinks. These will be the first two areas that I will be paying attention to, right? Now, the third area would be around 8.5 cents. Okay. These are the price targets that I can see the market in CRO getting hung up at. Okay. Now this is going to be relatively quick because I'm searching these areas on an hourly time frame. So if you guys see this video in 3 days after I posted it to YouTube, you may have already missed out on the move. You just gotta pause, just gotta wait until we get another opportunity to see the market in CRO move. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. We are going to play a small strength forecast into the market in CRO. Okay, these price targets are here, these horizontal lines, and we're going to see what is the percentage profit on that. And then I'm going to get rid of these lines. So the first price target is around 3.37%. My second price target is going to be around 9.5%. And third price target is going to be 19, almost 19.25%. Okay. Definitely keep our eyes open on this 7.5 cent price, because that can definitely push back down the market in CRO. But this is what we're looking at for the time being. Okay. Now, overall, this particular cryptocurrency could in fact be insolvent, which is why we're playing this on such a small time frame. We're not looking for this to happen over the next couple of months or years. No, we're in and out on this particular forecast and prediction. If it happens, great. If it doesn't, there's no harm inflicted. We're just simply in and out, right? So that's what I'm looking forward to in terms of CRO. Now, give me your thoughts, give me your perception as to what you think the market's going to be in the next month and a half. Is CRO still going to be here, or it's going to be insolvent like FTX? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Hit the like button instead of it. Also subscribe here to the channel as well, because you're not going to get anything simpler than this. Looking at the market from price. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.